Custom Tag Library. What is Custom Tag Library? It is a user-defined JSP language element. When JSP is translated into a servlet, custom tag is converted to a class which take action on an object and it called as tag handler. Those actions when the servlet is executed are involved by the web content. To create the user-defined custom tag, we need to create the tag handler which will be extend the simple text support and have to override do tag method. We need to create TLD where we need map the class file in TLD. Advantages of custom tag in JSP. Portable. An action described in a tag library must be usable in any JSP container. Simple. Unsophisticated user must be able to understand and use the mechanism. Vendor of JSP functionality must find it easy to make it available to users as action. Expressive. The mechanism must support a wide range of actions, including nested action, scripting elements inside action, bodies, creation or independent of scripting variables. Unable from different scripting language. Usable for different scripting language. Although the JSP specification currently one define the semantic of script in the Java programming language. We want to leave open the possibility of other scripting language built upon existing concept and machine learning. We do not want to invent vertex size elsewhere. Also, we want to avoid feature conflict whenever we can predict them. Implementing JSP custom tag. There are a few steps involved in developing a custom tag. Those steps can be summarized as follows. Write the tag and class. Create the tag library descriptor. Make the tag library descriptor file and handle class accessible. Reference the tag library. Use the tag in a JSP page. First we talk about write the tag handler class. The first thing we need to do is write the handler class. The tag handler is an object invoked by the JSP runtime to evaluate a custom tag during the execution of a JSP page that references the tag. The method of the tag handler are called by the implementation class at various points during the evaluation of the tag. All tag must implement the tag interface. We do not need to include the body content in our example today tag because it only displays as current date in the user-defined form. As such, our handler class will implement the tag interface. If we were to create a tag capable of processing body content, we would need to implement the body tag interface. The second one is create the tag library descriptor. Our next step is to define the library that will contain the mapping between our custom tag and the Java class that will handle it. This library is defined with the XML document called by tag library descriptor. We will call the TDL for our custom tag example. Custom tag.tl. All key information is contained within the tag where the tag name and the hand class will map. In more complex case, we could use additional XML tag to provide more information about the library and about the tags. It is so difficult to define multiple things within the single library. The third one is make the TTL file and handle class is accessible. The third step is to make the class or class and TDL accessible to the web application. There are two ways of doing this. We can either package the classes and the TDL together into the jar file and store the jar file in the web applications link descriptor. Or we can place the class file loosely in the class subdirectory and place the TDL file somewhere near the web application web file directory. The fourth one is reference the tag library. The fourth step is to make the class or classes and TDL accessible to the web application. In order use to the tag, we have reference it, and this can be done. Number one, reference the tag library descriptor of an unpacking tag library. This is an example for this method. Number two, reference a jar file contain tag library. This is an example for number two method. Number three is define a reference to tag library descriptor for the web application descriptor and define a short name to reference tag library for JSP. This is an example for the third. Next, we add JSP declaration to any page that we will not use custom tag library. Number 5 and last thing is use this tag the JSP page. Now we are ready to use our custom tags within JSP page. Thank you for watching my video.